drowning in tasks and struggling to keep your projects on track. Let's transform that chaos into calm by setting up your first Trello board, your secret weapon for project organization. First, head over to Trello.com and sign up for a free account. You can use your Google account, Microsoft account, or create an account with your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Trello dashboard. Click on the Create New Board button, which is usually a plus sign. Give your board a clear and descriptive name, something like website redesign or marketing campaign. Trello boards are built using lists. By default, you will have a to-do, doing, and done list. These lists represent the stages of your workflow. You can rename them to better fit your project, like backlog, in progress, and approved. Now, let's add some cards. Click on Add a Card under any list. Each card represents a specific task. For example, if you are working on a website redesign, you could create cards such as Design Homepage Mockup or Write Blog Posts. Click on a card to open it and add more details. You can write a detailed description, assign a due date, add members to collaborate, attach relevant files, and even create checklists for subtasks. The real magic happens when you start moving cards between lists as you work. Drag and drop a card from to-do to doing when you start working on it, and then finally to done when it's complete. Trello gives you clear visual process on your progress. And there you have it, a basic Trello board setup. Experiment with different list names, labels, and power-ups to customize your board to fit your specific needs. Now go get organized.